Qatayif are a must during the month of Ramadan, and I know it can be intimidating to make, but today I'm going to be sharing with you a foolproof recipe that comes out great every time. In your blender, add 3 3/4 cups of warm water, some flour, some fine semolina, sugar, baking powder, active dry yeast, and baking soda. Blend everything together for about 3 to 5 minutes. It should look like this, and then let it rest for 30 minutes. Now, to get the cheese ready, I'm going to be doing some best Spanish cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then I'll be adding some black seeds. You can use whatever cheese you like, or you can even do a walnut stuffing. After that rested for 30 minutes, I'm going to pour it on my griddle. You can use a pan, and it should look like this. And then you're going to set it aside. Make sure you cover them while you're making them. And now for the cheese, I'm just going to mix the mozzarella in and then add in my black seeds and mix it all together. Then I'll be stuffing my Qatayif. So you want to pinch the ends like this and then add some cheese and then pinch it. Be careful when you're doing this so it doesn't rip. So it should look like this. And then now we're going to go ahead and fry on each side until it's like a light golden color. Should look like that. And now we're going to dip it in a simple syrup, which is just some sugar, water, and a slice of lemon. And then top it off with some pistachios. And that is it. Enjoy.